In this video, I'm going to explain how you can transfer from Sweatcoin to Bybit Wallet. So first you want to copy the address for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from your Bybit wallet. So after you have the address copied, then you want to open up the Sweat Wallet app, click on transfer, and then select send. So right here is the important part. You have to select the same cryptocurrency that you have the address copied for. So for example, if you're doing Ethereum, you want to select this and it will look like this. Basically here you have to paste the address for your Bybit wallet. Like I said, make sure the cryptocurrencies match. And after you have pasted your address right here, it will ask you for an amount that you want to send. And after you have written the amount, it will just confirm that you have the correct wallet selected and it will transfer your funds to your Bybit wallet. So hope this helps. It's super simple. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.